Guys, got something special here today. No idea what it is, but we're gonna unbox it and find out. It's a 890 Adventure R. I think it's a German bike. We'll find out. What is it? It's hiding in here. Oh wow! Look at that. Thing's freaking sick. Where do I start? Thing's sick. It's starting to look like a bike now. Yep, there she is. Almost unboxed. Came with a bunch of these goodies too. It's like arts and crafts. Alright, let's put her together. Alright, had to do a bunch of services, but we're back on the 890. It's out of the box. Realized one of the turn signals was broken. It wasn't me. It happened during shipping. But so far so good. It's a nice bike. Let's go ahead and get these hand guards on, get the windscreen on, and then do some stuff down there. Alright guys, KTM 890 together out of the box. Got the skid plate put on, handlebars, front windscreen, hand guards, mirrors. Thing looks pretty cool. Nice. Alright, that's it.